Historically, security was not a primary concern for system designers, for embedded systems and IoT in general. The thing, in my opinion, which really triggered the interest for security in embedded systems and connected objects is the famous Stuxnet attack. That's the first large-scale, well-known cyber attacks. Since then, there have been numerous cyber attacks, but we still hear customers considering security as an afterthought. Of course, we do encourage our customer to think about security from the very early stage of their design. I would say that the best security, for sure, is the one that was thought about in the very early stage of design, not to say product definition. Of course, security, we are a silicon vendor, but we really encourage our customers to think about security globally, have a system and holistic approach, rather than just focusing on the silicon. Fundamentally, the best security always starts with a piece of hardware. We call it the root of trust. And the principle is that if you have a piece of hardware, preferably silicon-based, of course, it is a root of trust of your system, and you can build security upon it. Basically, people should implement a chain of trust. The chain of trust starts with a root of trust, which is in general silicon-based, and then each piece of software can trust the next layer. This is in general how it works. So our job as silicon vendor is to provide cost-effective root of trust. At Maxim, we have innovative technologies, and probably our latest that we are somehow proud about is PUF, physically unclonable functions. And we think it's a very valuable technology because it is extremely immune against reverse engineering. Actually, the principle is that you dynamically generate a key on board the silicon rather than store it, which is a traditional way. If you just store a key, you may implement many countermeasures to protect it, but it still has some vulnerability. While if you use the PUF, the physically unclonable function, it is by nature not clonable also, and it is extremely difficult to reverse engineer it. Typically, we understand that our customers have to optimize their R&D effort, right? So we think that our job is really to provide turnkey solutions. That means solutions which are easy to integrate software-wise. And although the PUF is extremely sophisticated and we invested years of R&D before we come up with a solution, it doesn't mean that our customers have to bother what is inside. Actually, the PUF is inside the silicon, but what we do is that we provide a lot of software tools and a lot of software libraries so that the integration of our solution to achieve the best-in-class security is easy for them and that their R&D effort is reduced.